puppy playtime. Oh, it's the puppy playtime with the puppies. Ow, get off my leg, please. Get off my leg, please. Oh, that's really sore. Alright. Puppy playtime. Don't eat my leg. Oh, that's tape. Yeah. My bad. No, there's nothing there for you. There's nothing there for you. Eat this. Eat this. Eat this. You're such a silly little baby. You want to get right up in there, don't you? Yes, you do. This is Scrambles, the Deathbringer. Yeah. And that's Xena, the warrior princess, of course. Get out of my crotch. Now you're in my crotch and growling. Only my wife does that. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. Play with the puppies. I'm not zoomed in, at least I don't think I am. Nope. Not zoomed in. I just can't get further back. Wake up, you little depressed puppy. Why are you a depressed puppy? Play. Yeah. Whoever says you shouldn't play tug-of-war with pups because it teaches them dominance and that they can take things from you, I guess that depends on how you raise them, because I'm pretty sure these guys know who mommy and daddy are. Oh, you can still play, you just can't bite me. And, they play rough with their moms and dads, their dog mom and dad. Would you get your nose out of my crotch? They bite and throw each other around. I don't think there's any problem with it. It's a good way to play. They like to play. But if you don't think you should, well, then don't. It's your dogs. These are my puppies. I'm not going to play with them. Yeah. I would be out running with them, but that's how that happened. Yeah. I'd already strained it. I was outside running with these guys. Turned around because, ow, oh, please don't do that. They had gotten tangled and tripped over one of those black corrugated drainage pipes for the gutter. Yeah, I tripped over one of those, and what was it? An acute tear of my calf muscle. Yeah. And even with the painkillers, it still hurts like a bitch. But yeah, I can't run with these guys anymore. Not for a while. It's going to be a couple months till I can run with you guys again. Hopefully you don't hurt me again. Oh, you hungry? Alright, it's not your dinner time, but I don't think you guys ate much last time. Alright, I guess that's all the puppy playtime. Bye Scrambles. Bye Xena. See you next time.